Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need Wi-Fi calling available from your carrier and an active data plan. Once confirmed, enable Wi-Fi calling in Settings phone. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network. This lets voice use the network while your mobile data stays active. If you prefer cellular data instead, ensure LTE or 5G is set for voice and data in cellular settings. Once done, proceed to place the call so the phone can route voice separately from app data usage. Next, force the iPhone to use LTE or 5G for voice and data together so apps can keep using mobile data during calls. Go to Settings Cellular Data Options, Voice and Data, and pick LTE or 5G, not just 3G. Make sure Wi-Fi Assist is enabled if you want automatic fallback to cellular data when Wi-Fi weakens. Also check data roaming only if you understand charges. This keeps the data channel active, while the call uses cellular voice or Wi-Fi. Now test by placing a call and simultaneously running a data app like Maps or Safari. You should see navigation or web content update in real time. If data stops during the call, restart the iPhone or toggle airplane mode on then off to reset radios. Make sure background app refresh is allowed and that low data mode is off. If problems persist, contact your carrier. Some networks or plans restrict simultaneous voice and data, and they can confirm or change provisioning on their end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.